Hello, my name is David Ross. I'm the Maintenance and Spare Parts Manager here in Coca-Cola. Here at Coca-Cola Hellenic, this is our fourth wave of apprenticeships we have. We have partnership with SERC, SERC, for a number of years now. We have a great relationship and we see the benefits of running the apprenticeship program. We bring apprenticeships in whenever they're 18, 19 years of age, right through the 3-year program, and then they end up becoming full-time employees here with Coca-Cola Hellenic.
What brought me on to the engineering apprenticeship was from a very young age I've been interested in building things and making things, and then after I finished school I went on to my level 3 electronic engineering. I liked the electronic engineering a lot, and once I finished that I knew I wanted to pursue engineering. So I had the options of going to university, doing a full-time course with SERC and doing a higher level apprenticeship. And the opportunity arose for me to come to Coca-Cola to work and do the higher level apprenticeship. I thought that was the best option for me as I could earn money whilst learning. I plan to do very well and move on to junior maintenance engineer position, and then furthermore I would like to continue on to become a multi-skilled maintenance engineer within Coca-Cola HBC.
So I chose the apprenticeship course because I was in my level 3 electrical engineering, coming towards the end of the 3 years of that. I was sitting thinking, what's the next best step to take? Of university, of an HLA. So I asked various tutors and such, and they said I'd suggest the HLA over uni. The HLA I feel benefits me due to the fact that I'm earning while I'm learning, so I'm getting paid for it and able to work the overtime, get my money. Whereas if uni, I would feel, the student loans, the student debts, the finance side of uni, that would be near impossible for me. So I feel that getting the money, getting the experience and getting the education all in one is just the win-win in my opinion.